Why is our sport so attractive? Because it promises significance. If you're trusting your sport to quench your thirst for meaning and purpose, your sport will ask you for everything. It's like a leech that keeps on sucking over and over again until you have nothing left. How can we experience God's best in life and in sports? Surrender to God. Surrender to God. Believe that God is supreme and worthy of my continual submission. Turn from the idol that you put in place of God and turn back to God. The Bible calls this repentance. We're renouncing these things and turning back to our audience of one. See, God being our AO1 means that the way we practice and the way we play our sport, all of that matters to God. Your attitude, He cares about that. Your effort, He cares about that. Your intensity, all of that matters. And we must continually ask God, is this all about me? Or is it about you, God? Is it about my audience of one? Following Jesus changes everything. John 14:6 says, Jesus says He's the way, the truth, and the life, and no one has access to the Father except through Him. He's the only real life giver that satisfies our souls. We often go to relationships, to sports, to people, to things, even Netflix during this pandemic. But the true life is only found in Jesus. Drink deeply of Jesus. He said, come to me, whether it's your sport or anything in your life, because you are my creation. You are my son. You are my daughter. And He's saying to you and me, He's saying, all those idols and all those things you put in front of me, I still love you. Let Him rest, rule, and abide in you instead of making Him just a small part of your life. Who or what do you worship?